Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to transfer PandaBuy balance to PayPal in 2025. If you've got some unused balance on PandaBuy and want to move it to your PayPal account for easier spending or withdrawals, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. By the end, you'll be transferring funds like a pro. First things first, why do this? In 2025, with rising digital transactions, linking PandaBuy to PayPal can save you time and fees. Start by opening your PandaBuy app or website and logging into your account. Make sure your account is verified. PandaBuy requires this for security reasons, so double-check that step if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head over to the Wallet or Balance section. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Now, select PayPal as your transfer method from the list of available options. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be a minimum limit, like $10, so keep that in mind to avoid any issues. Next, you'll be prompted to link your PayPal account. If it's not already connected, click on the link button and follow the on-screen instructions. This might involve logging into your PayPal and authorizing the connection. After that, review the transfer details, including any potential fees. PandaBuy could charge a small processing fee in 2025, so check for that. Hit the Confirm button, and you're all set. The transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on your location and bank verification. Keep an eye on your PayPal account for confirmation emails. A quick tip: always use secure networks for these transactions to protect your info. If you run into any hiccups, PandaBuy's support team is pretty responsive. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.